Hi guys, I am Luna and welcome back. Today we're going to train your English brain with everyday phrases you can use constantly in real conversations. The more you repeat them, the more automatic your English becomes. Just listen, repeat, and let the language flow naturally. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I'm getting ready for the day. Let me know if you need anything. I'll be there in a minute. Can you help me with this? That sounds like a great idea. I really appreciate your help. I'll try my best. Don't worry, everything is okay. Let's take a short break. I understand what you mean. Can you explain that again? I'm working on it right now. That was really helpful. Thank you. See you soon. I haven't seen you in a while. How have you been? I'm a little busy today, but I can manage. Just give me a second. I'm almost finished. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Take your time. There's no rush. That's exactly what I was thinking. I totally agree with you. Let me check and I'll tell you. This is interesting. I want to learn more. I didn't expect that, but it's okay. Let's keep going. I'm learning something new every day. This really helps me improve. I'm proud of the progress I'm making. Thanks for spending this time practicing English with me. Every phrase you repeat helps your brain think faster in English and speak more naturally. Keep returning to these simple expressions whenever you can. They're small, but they build huge fluency over time. You're doing amazing, and I'm truly happy to be part of your journey. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and remember, every day your English brain gets stronger. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next lesson.